Hello friends, this is the hungry cat which is meowing loudly, meowing for food. I think it is asking for cat food. The meowing sound is very loud. It's sitting on a carpet, now meowing again. Now it's sleeping or acting maybe. So this cat is very friendly cat, not relaxing on a carpet in the garage and meowing for food. Now it's going for sleep. Any friends, please don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Have a nice day.